Jackie, looking good out there, girlfriend. She's an RMD doll. For those who don't know what RMD stands for, it stands for Rockabilly Mafia Dolls. What we are is we're a social organization, vintage inspired, and we give back to the community any way we can. She's actually from the Fresno chapter, which is our original chapter. And how long have you been in there? 4 years? 4 years?
I can't count.
We can't count no more. We're veterans. So let's give a round of applause for her. Oh, and she likes salsa dancing. Hey. This is SB. SB owns a 1953 Plymouth. She likes to go on cruises, loves spending time with her family, and she loves them oldies. She volunteers time at the with Autism Speaks. Let's hear it for SB. Stephanie loves raising money to help provide for families homeless with Christmas presents and Christmas dinner. She likes to volunteer at the SBCA, and guess what, lady or gentlemen? She's single. Let's give it up for Stephanie. This is Stephanie. She has been a member of the Rockabilly Mafia Dolls original chapter for a year now, having volunteered for over 100 hours to this day. She's a newly credited high school biology teacher and is currently earning her first master's degree. She is also a graphic designer and is part of a leadership convention planning committee for the Latina-based sorority, Lambda
Theta Alpha.
There you go. Ooh, good job, Stephanie. Hi, this is Kylie. Kylie, wave hi to everybody. She's a fun-loving girl who loves animals, and she likes to play on her downtime, and she likes old cars like her dad and her mom, and she loves that pinup style. Let's give it a round for Kylie.
Girl, and you're gone too far, 'cause you know it don't matter anyway. You can rely on the old man's money. You can rely on the old man's money. It's a bitch, girl, but it's gone too far, 'cause you know it don't matter anyway. Well, it won't get you too far, get you too far.
This is Carly. Carly works at Renaissance Salon, which is a huge with donating to charities and doing anything to help with the community. She's the manager actually at Renaissance, and her hair is done by Benson. And she's a true people person and always life of the party. Let's give it up for Carly. Miss Sierra Space. She's a sassy, hardworking bartender. So if you ever see her, don't forget to tell her hi. She loves pinup and all things retro and rockabilly. Her favorite pastime is playing poker, and she has multiple tattoos about cards. Her father, who taught her how to play. She recently started modeling and having a lot of fun with it as well. Good job, Sierra. She loves the rockabilly lifestyle. She speaks 5 languages. She loves old classic cars, and yeah. What else? And she works a lot with the homeless.
Because you're mine.
This is Teresa. She recycles and she says don't litter. Teresa's from the west side of Tulare. She loves to do hair and makeup, to go to events, car shows, fights, and races. Let's hear it for Teresa. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here are our lovely ladies. Let's give a round of applause for them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some time out and I'm going to ask them some questions. Let's see who's in the hot seat first, ladies. Yeah. Who's my first victim? Miss Bobby, since I butchered your intro. What can you tell me about the history of pinup?
Audrey Hepburn is my favorite.
Walking down the street, pretty woman, the kind I like to meet, pretty woman.
Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna come to you, Miss Kylie. Who is your favorite? Do you know who Marilyn Monroe is? Do you know who I Love Lucy is? No? Okay. Do you like Marilyn Monroe? Or who's your favorite out of all of the girls that dress like you? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a good answer. High five for that one. Yeah. What are your hobbies?
Or this Stephanie. My hobbies, I actually coach lacrosse, so I'm hardcore. And I do a lot of reading, my graphic design, and volunteering.
All right, way to go, Miss Luna Juna. Stephanie, same question.
I am an animal lover, and I am currently in school to be a vet tech. I collect anything from mid-century modern. I'm a collector of things from the 50s. I'm a big I Love Lucy fan. I actually have a tattoo of Lucy on my shoulder. Let's see, I am also an avid reader, and I am a Dodger fan, so go Dodgers!
I don't know about that one, guys. Okay. What is your favorite vintage car? Oh, easy question.
I'm actually a Plymouth woman. I'm sorry you guys are all Chevys, but I'm different, so I love Plymouth, so it's me.
Good answer. Who is your favorite rockabilly or mid-century band or musician, and why? Oh my god. Okay. What can you tell me about the history of pinup?
You know what? I don't know too much about it, but I think it started off as like they were drawing these women because back then it was inappropriate to actually look at women like that. And so you see in history all these beautiful pictures and they're all drawings of women, not the actual one, because that was not appropriate back then. And now it is, so
woo! Miss Destiny, what are your hobbies? I love playing with my dog, Yu. She's my love of my life. I like messing with my brothers. I like taking pictures, a lot of pictures. And I like cleaning. Liar. She's my daughter. I'm just kidding. I like dancing more than cleaning and singing. Okay, good answer. Miss Sammy, what are some interesting facts about yourself that someone might not know just by meeting you?
Yeah, we'll do